Okay, upcoming here, AirSep products for repairing lines, metal line repairs.
Now that they've left, I'll just finish off.
Your fittings,
That's beautiful.
add-on fittings, you're good.
Familiar with these?
I've seen them advertised. Block off, is that what that's for? Yep.
That's block. This is high or low side service.
Add
port.
fittings, yep.
Just introducing these will allow you to tie a switch port in.
Oh, okay. So that's good for aftermarket kits like old air products and vintage air and stuff like that, especially that hot rod work. They like filter protectors.
These are actual screens that go into the suction.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, it's not worth it to me.
Splices.
That's just an assortment.
What's this one right here?
Yeah, that's going to take you.
Oh, that's just the
metal
fitting
line to
for
rubber
the
hose.
rubber for metal to hover.
And then the splicers will take you from rubber hose to rubber.
My problem is getting guys to put them on right. The leaks that I have found, they did not install them properly. I've seen your systems put on other cars, but they leaked. But when I took them out, I found out the guys didn't insert them and crank them down right. It's nothing wrong with the product. It was the guys who installed them.
Yeah, it's kind of hard not to install it properly.
Well, we're talking about the automotive field here.
Well, that is
you know.
the old one. But I mean, as long as you're on the right side, the right LED line, there's
AC
not a lot of
charge
room to
card
make a
with the
mistake.
same
I
way
guess it
for
can be done.
hybrids.
This would be good for like on the Mercedes-Benz that have it on a condenser that's down in that hole. And after a body shop put it on, it's not aligned right. And you can't get your big clumpy one on there.
Mercedes, Audi, Porsche,
You know,
Cadillacs.
we did some videos.
a lot of vehicles that have them.
Oh, right there.
Right there, yeah.
Just now two line, give you a look at what's coming out of the
And
system.
Actually, if it was a little lighter, you could take your oil content and fill it up with liquid refrigerant, weigh it, bleed off your refrigerant, and then weigh it again and figure out your percentage of oil in your liquid refrigerant. That would be good for that.
Is that a little too heavy?
Well, it's kind of big and funky, but it has to be for the pressure. I mean, as long as you have a real good scale, like the scales when in body shops, you could measure one drop of liquid, and so you can get a really accurate
That's pretty
scale.
It will stay no matter how hard.
How you doing?
$55. That's what we cost. That's what we sell at the OE level for.
Yeah, and that's the oil separator or
Recycle
contaminant.
guard.
Yeah,
For protecting sealants and debris through the system.
I just got this. I haven't used it yet.
All right.
What kind of pressure will this handle?
Oh, I got that. Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's the one I got. I got that one right there.
I think 230,
40 bar,
500 psi.
500
This is 250 psi.
Okay.
And it's